The VIVE Sync for Outlook add-in allows you to create VIVE Sync meetings directly from Outlook. Go to the Sync website and download the add-in. If you're using the desktop Outlook app, you need Outlook 2016 or later to install the add-in. To install it, open Outlook on your computer and then click the Get Add-ins button. Click My Add-ins, then click Add a custom add-in and select Add from File. Select the add-in file that you downloaded and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. To create a sync meeting in Outlook, click New Items and then select Meeting. In the VIVE Sync tab, click Create Meeting, then sign in with your HTC account. Enter a subject, then choose the meeting room you want to use. Select the date and time of the meeting and fill in the contact names or email addresses of your invitees. To finalize the meeting and add it to your sync calendar, click Book Meeting. An email with the meeting link will be created automatically. Just click Send and you're good to go. When your invitees receive your meeting invitation, they can click the link in the email to join your meeting.